Hi guys, I'm at the laundromat at Iford. This is one of the new machines, just trying it out. It's finally spinning. Seems to do what a home one does and not balance sometimes with a small load, unfortunately, so it did a lot of balancing so, but spinning now. And it's very quiet compared to the other ones that were here before. But over here, that's where the Maytag and the cream Ipsos once stood. I think they've gone to the scrapyard now. These ones are still here. New Speed Queens, I'm looking forward to trying them out in a minute. The vending machine's now been put in, so I might as well grab something in a minute. And I hope TikTok don't mute this for the music in the background, which I can't do nothing about. But it's spinning, it's going faster, so yes, this one seems a lot quieter than the Ipsos that used to be here. But it actually seems to spin a lot more faster than the Ipso as well. The other one didn't spin properly. So they've definitely gone to heaven now, or recycled. Spinning okay. These ones, this one and that one are brand new. Don't know what make they are, but look cool and spinning okay now. So seems like it's going to stay at its maximum for a good few minutes. Like the Ipso, I stayed at slow speed for a few minutes so the clothes come out safe and wet, but I think these should come out much drier, not take too long to dry and dryer. Next time I'll try these ones out and give them a go. 4 minutes remaining on the clock.